The project you can make a survey of this particular area, your particular specific area, how much card is the editing vehicle, how much the conventional vehicle. Here you can construct analysis also, you can take the data also. Here you can say, okay, if you are interested, that time also you can do project also, that time you can do internship also, that time you can go in that summer internship something is there after the normally the or third semester, fifth semester, second semester break, then we can do that kind of things also. And that way, if you go to industry, then you can look at what the pollution scaling, that what the precaution they have taken. Then you can also put forward your points, okay, this is- like when he is saying, no, if the he is saying that, what is the precaution that have to be taken. Maybe you have to think, okay, alternative solar. But in the northeastern region, solar power is compared to other areas, it is very less. Normally, total less. Like the wind power is very less. It's a already biomass suppose lot of biomass is available. I will make the biomass